Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your heart.
Good morning! We're running out the door. The Magic Kingdom bus. Sorry. Annie was the one who was like, we should go meet this bus, and then she's the one rushing. I'm already leaving. I'm already out the door. I'm already gone. I'm gone. See ya.
Cut that noise.
Oh my god, my calves. It's our last full park day.
Cut that noise.
We're not talking about last days. We're not saying the last time. We're just enjoying a full day in Magic Kingdom.
I've said it like 6 times.
We're going to try to make this bus. If we don't, I won't be. Oh my god.
And I brought my duper.
What time is it? It's 7:38. We're not gonna make it for rope drop, but that's okay. Cause
That's terrible, but
I'm moving. I'm going. No, rush me. I walk like 2 miles an hour with my short legs. We made it. Now we got a speed walk. Good morning.
Let's do this. I'm gonna stand ahead. Let's put it on here.
You're good.
Thank you. We're here.
I have to, for the 3rd time, I'm gonna on my Instagram. We're back. You can't even see the, there you go. No.
Well, the sun, we have a shadow.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, you're right.
Yeah, see? Alright, we just finished taking photos. We found out that Big Thunder Mountain.
My butt. That's like my
Big Thunder Mountain's a 5-minute wait, and I said, what are we still doing here? So we're...
Get up!
Get up!
There's a TikTok of a girl who she's like bothers her mom. I
I don't remember her name.
don't remember her name either, but she's hilarious.
Get up!
Get up.
Get up! So we got up.
It's my inspiration.
And we're going. Good morning! Thank you! We have Jungle Cruise at 10:30. We did buy Genie Plus today.
We did try, yeah, this is the one park I was like, I'm spending the Genie Plus on.
Yeah. So we got Jungle Cruise at 10:30, and then we can just keep picking them. I think as soon as you scan in, you can pick the next one. So maybe
what she
in
said.
line, yeah, we can.
That's
do
what
the
Brittany
next
said
one.
at the front desk.
Oh, we love Brittany at the front desk at Pop.
Yeah. We love
She was
Brittany.
so helpful. We just did Little Mermaid. Now we're on the hunt for some water. And then we're gonna do the Speedway. Never done that. There's a lot of things I've never done. I gotta stop saying that. Here's my disclaimer. When I first came here, I was 1, so I did nothing. And then I came here at like 8, and I was scared of everything. So I just did the carousel. And then I came here at 18. I was still scared of everything.
Still didn't do anything.
But now I'm here, 26, and I'm ready to do everything. Live it up. Oh, and also we got a lightning lane for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at 4:30, so we have a little bit. So we're gonna get some water.
I'm gonna like really press on it. Ow! Here we go! You have to
my mistake. Oh, but would you look at that? That was my first no L of the year. Folks, I'm kidding. I've been taking L's all year long. True story. Folks, my name is... Today you are going to see lots of plants, lots of animals, and you are going to hear lots of jokes. Fair warning, they're all bad. The jokes, specifically. Plants and animals, they're great. My jokes, terrible. For example, here on the left, we are passing Inspiration Falls. Legend has it that if you stare at the flowing water of Inspiration Falls, you will be inspired to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Here on the right is a shack where you can rent boats, bait, or grab a quick bite to eat. Though someone should be working there. I can't see anyone. Canoe. Get it, canoe? That's one of many terrible jokes. Oh, but that is one terribly large python.
Ew.
Yes, that is a python. That is not a boa. Boas have feathers. You're welcome for that, Shimmy. You're welcome. Oh, hold on, folks. Gorillas have completely trashed that camp. Well, they haven't destroyed everything. Those presents look good. Oh, and it's a Christmas miracle. They got that Jeep to turn over.
We're going to our lunch reservation now. I haven't gotten a text that our table's ready, but I checked in.
Well,
Yeah,
we're
5
a little
minutes.
early.
We have 5 minutes. Here we go! What do you think?
Cute. This is really cute.
Our waiter is Danny and we love him.
Shout out to Danny, you're a little sweetheart.
Starting with bread.
I love bread. Very excited.
Very excited.
Here we go.
Hello, Mr. Beast. This is our lunch. I have the scallops and it came with like a glaze and the guy sang while he did it. He's like, yeah. And what did you get?
I got chicken, and it has vegetables and bread pudding.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
The gray stuff.
Annie has never had gray stuff.
It's so cute. It says, it's a little thing that says tale as old as time.
All right, go ahead.
That's good.
What does it taste like?
Like buttercream. Like frosting.
Okay, we're gonna dig in. So this is a macaroon with raspberry inside, right?
Yeah, raspberry with or something. Yeah.
And then this is the gray stuff on cake, on chocolate tort, and then this is something with raspberry inside, chocolate and raspberry. Yum! Okay, we just finished up. Be our guest. How was it?
It was amazing.
Danny was 12 out of 10.
Oh my god,
Is our server.
Sweetest.
Sweetest. Now we're gonna go see a cavalcade because we haven't seen Mickey Mouse yet.
At all.
At all. We've been here for 4 days and we haven't seen Mickey Mouse. We're now in line for Winnie the Pooh.
Oh god.
I know. Yeah, I look bad. It's fine. Everything's fine.
I mean, are we supposed to look good after being here for 8 hours
No.
outside in the humidity?
No. Yeah, we got a lightning lane for Winnie the Pooh. And then in about an hour we have Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
And then what were we gonna do after this?
I want to go to Tomorrowland.
Oh, the People Mover. We're gonna do
People Mover. And I want to do Buzz.
Oh yeah, Buzz.
Yeah, Buzz.
We come up with like these things and we say them and then we forget what we said and then we have to think of it all over again.
Yeah. It's fine. But we're gonna do Winnie the Pooh. It's a very feel-good ride. I grew up watching Winnie the Pooh, so I'm nostalgic. Did you watch Winnie the Pooh?
I did watch Winnie the Pooh, but I don't have the same attachment as you do.
I love Winnie the Pooh.
And the wall! And the people mover!
Never done it. Me neither.
Today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
On our way to do Mine Train. Are you excited?
Yeah!
$66, 25, what are we? I'm a space scout. You're a space scout. So we found our fireworks spot. Hour and a half to go.
Call us dramatic, but we need a good spot.
It's true. But we're gonna pick up food at Casey's Corner, which is right there, in half an hour.
Right there.
So I'll just run and go get it when it's ready, and we'll be good.